So the first thing that I'm going to do when solving this problem is split the expression up into terms and then number the functions. So we have 2, then 3, 1, then this big term, 4, 5, and within that we also have 2, 3. Then we have another big term, 6, 1, 8, 2, and within that we have a tinier term, 8, 2. For functions, we first have CDR, CDR again, then CAR, and finally CDR again. Now that I'm organized, I'm ready to begin the problem. For the first step, we have CDR, which is going to grab everything except for the first term in that list. So we're left with 3, 1, 4, 5, parentheses 2, 3, and then 6, 1, parentheses 8, 2. The next step is again CDR. So we're going to take everything except for the first term in that list again, which is now 3, 1. And we're left with 4, 5, 2, 3, and then 6, 1, 8, 2. The third step is CAR. So now we're going to grab the first term. So now we have 4, 5, parentheses 2, 3. And finally, we're going to do CDR again. So now we're going to take everything except for the 4, and we're left with 5, parentheses 2, 3. And as you can see, we've done as many steps as there are functions, and our final answer is 5, parentheses 2, 3.